everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe. Today I wanted to put together a video for you where I'm going to show you and talk to you about things that are happening in the office makeover. Now, if you follow me over on Instagram, you will know that the office is very nearly finished. It's been going on now for some time and I'm just waiting on one more thing to arrive, which is the console table. Now, the console table that is arriving is going to be my desk. We're going to be using the office as a dual office space. So Matt's going to have his desk with all his kind of screens and bits and bobs that he needs, and then the console table is going to be my space. I wanted a slimline table. I don't need a lot of space. I only need enough space for my MacBook. So that was all I wanted. I also wanted an opportunity to style up something a little bit different in there, and you know, I am literally obsessed with like trinkets and bits and bobs. So when I saw an image from, I think it was Hudson Home that had it, I'll insert it, I was like, I need that in my house. So I've gathered a lot of items together that I'm going to be using to style that side of the room. And I thought what I would do in this video is talk you through those items and share with you what I have purchased and where it's from. I will of course include all the links to the items in the description box below. But first, let's find out what they are. So first up, I purchased a couple of coffee table books, one of which is this book here, The Kinfolk Home. This is an extremely popular coffee table book. I've seen so many people have this in their house and I just knew that I had to have one too. I picked up most of my coffee table books from Amazon. I found that that's where they were the most affordable, so I got that from there, and I think this was about £19 or something like that, so it was a lot cheaper than other places where I have seen it. To then go on top of this book, as I think layering coffee table books is really effective, I got this book here, which is called Simple Matters, and again this is from Amazon, but you can buy it elsewhere. I just really love this book for the colour. I love the kind of like muted grey colour on it. I think it's really unique and I haven't seen many books this colour before, so I think they look really beautiful together and will look so nice on top of the black console table, which should be arriving any day now. But yeah, so that's going to be going together, and then the last thing that's going to be going on top is actually this beautiful trinket box here. I'm going to just put that on top of there like that. Now, the trinket box you may have seen before if you watched my previous home haul where I'd shared pieces for the office and for our bathroom renovation. I had a frame which was very similar to this trinket box with the black and white stripe. In fact, they are the same, but they're just from different shops. This one here is from Hudson Home, and on the inside it has this beautiful black colour, and I just think it's perfect to store things like pens and little pieces of like equipment. Like for me it would be like batteries and SD cards, things like that could all be safely tucked away in here, and I'm hoping, again fingers crossed, that Olivia will never know they are there, otherwise she will have her hands inside this box all the time. So let's hope. But here we go. So this is kind of the vibe, and then I'm really looking forward to styling these all up together on the desk, and I might even include something else on top. Like Hudson Home had some really beautiful coral, and I would love to feature some coral, but unfortunately it was sold out, so let's hope that comes back in stock. Otherwise I'm thinking maybe like a white artichoke or just something really that would look quite pretty on top of there, but they do look lovely on their own. Now, something else which I purchased, which I have been wanting to get my hands on for some time, is one of these diptyque candles. Again, I have seen these in so many vloggers, bloggers, home interior stylists, homes, etc. And I have always wanted one. But where I live, we don't really have very many shops that actually sell the diptyque candles. I think we've only recently got a Space NK here, but then because of the pandemic and everything else, it obviously had to close down. So I took a gamble and I went for it. I read a lot of reviews online about the best scented diptyque candle, and this one here, the Bays, which I think is berries was the most popular. Now I have to say I did kind of really go for this more of for the aesthetic rather than for the scent, but as soon as you open the like cellophane on the box, the smell inside is absolutely incredible. So I'm so happy about this. Like the aroma just fills the room the moment you pull it out. So this is going to look so pretty again on the console table. I'm kind of envisaging having it on top or next to a vase full of flowers and things. I've got something really pretty coming. It's so exciting and I cannot wait for it to arrive, but I'm thinking of just having that sitting next to it on the table, and yeah, it will look really, really lovely. So nice. Now, because the console table is going to be a desk, I have also got a lovely chair which has arrived, and I can't show you right now because it's not assembled, but I'll insert a picture for you. It's from Argos. It's kind of a lovely like light grey colour with black legs. I think it will look super smart in the room. It's not your generic office chair, it's more of a kind of occasional chair, but I think it will still look the part, and it was on sale, so a bargain. Now, to drape over those, because I think layering again is so important, I was very kindly gifted this beautiful throw. This is from Snuggle In and it comes with a matching cushion. This is the grey colour chevron pattern, and it's so stunning. Look at the beautiful tassels there on the bottom. This is going to look so nice just like draped over the back of the chair, and also it's really cozy too, so it's going to be lovely to like wrap up in as you know the weather cools down. At the moment this is boiling, but the weather should cool down eventually, and this will be perfect for kind of like those snuggly evenings that you need. What I love even more about both these products is they are made from recycled fibres, which is just so nice, and for like the texture and how soft and cozy they are, I think that it's amazing. I really do. The cushion comes and it's all like feather filled and has got a really good chop in there. Beautiful. Look at that lovely pattern. Yeah, I cannot wait to get these styled on the new chair, and yeah, I'm literally counting down the days to do that. Okay, I am back. Sorry if anything looks any different. I had a bit of a disaster with my camera. It ran out of battery and then I couldn't get the tripod off to charge the battery. It's been a tough hour, but we are back and I'm going to show you the last few bits that I have got for the office. So the first one is this beautiful wicker magazine basket. You can't see it very well. Here we go, that's a bit better. So it's absolutely ginormous, and then it's got 2 compartments in the top. It's already got a couple of things inside, one of which is this magazine, Style at Home, and this is my sacred magazine because I'm not sure if you know, but I was actually featured in this magazine this month. Let me see if I can find me. There I am, I'm in this magazine. So if you would like to read up about this or about me or anything about my home or anything like that, then you can go out and buy Style at Home magazine. This is the July 2020 edition and I'm inside it, literally. Like, I'm gonna hopefully try and like get this in a frame, like get the pages out and put that up in the office as well, because I think it's such an achievement, and yeah, something that I will treasure forever. That's already inside my magazine basket. But I'm going to be putting this magazine basket in the office sort of on the inside of the console table, and I'm going to use it for storing paperwork, like my diary, you know, anything sort of kind of that I know I will need but I don't want to have out on display, and I want to keep it all in one place. And I just thought this was great for that, other than just having a normal basket. I thought this was perfect, and I could probably even slip my computer in there and my tablet and stuff and just keep it all safe. So that's my hope for this basket, which I do really love. It's from Wayfair as well, so I'll make sure I link it. I don't think it was very expensive either, so yeah, I love this. And the last 2 things which arrived are these prints. So we have this one. and this one. Now these caused a little bit of controversy over on my Instagram. People were saying that they looked like drawings children could do, and yeah, a lot of people didn't really like them, but I like them. I think they're really abstract. I also love the thick like black frames that they have come in. You can see my Hollywood light there, but yeah, this is just, I think it's really nice, really cool, and they are going to be going up on the wall kind of next to where Matt's his exercise bike is, just to add a little bit of character onto that wall space. So you will see that once the room is finished and I do a tour, which should hopefully be very, very soon. They are both from iwantoneofthose.com, and I will include a link for them below. Again, I have a discount code for iwantoneofthose.com. It's for 20% off. So it's a really cool shop. It's online. It's all like really quirky stuff, hence the prints. They have a variety of homeware, wall art, gifts, just anything that you could possibly desire, they have it. I think I've just bought actually a chopping board and a teddy bear blanket from there, so some really cool stuff on the way, and it's really affordable as well, which I like, plus you get 20% off, so it's brilliant. So yeah, I will link that below for you as well if you would like to check out their prints. But yeah, they are a bit quirky and they are a bit kind of abstract squiggles, but I think that's in at the moment, so we're going with it. That brings me to the end of the office haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you liked all the pieces that I picked up. I am so excited to bring this all together and finally have like my vision come to life. Just so, like I said at the beginning, we're just waiting on the console table and then we will be up and running. So make sure you head over to my Instagram, because probably over the next week I'm going to be building the console table, building the office chair, and then talking to you about styling and how everything's looking before I do the big reveal. And yeah, you're gonna see some really cool stuff. I've actually done a wall in there with some panelled wallpaper and it looks really, really cool. So I cannot wait to share this with you all. But I must go. It's a scorching hot day and it's time to go and enjoy the garden. But I really hope that you have all enjoyed this video, and I appreciate all of your support and your messages. If you have anything that you would like to ask me, please head down to the comments below and I will get back to you. But until next time, stay safe, take care, bye.